Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious fried rice which is made out of chili garlic paste, also known as Szechuan fried rice. So let's get started how to make this wonderful variation of another fried rice. I'm going to first take 10 Kashmiri chilies, which are non-spicy chilies for the red color, and I'm going to take around 6 to 7 large cloves of garlic. Okay, let's go ahead and add this to my Ming-Fath and add enough of water so that we can boil the chilies and the garlic. Just enough water so we can boil the chilies and the garlic. Okay. This, I'm also going to add a few Szechuan peppercorn, just about a few, so that we get the nice aroma of the Szechuan peppercorn in our fried rice. Once the water almost dries up, you see just a little bit water left, and chilies have become nice and soft. Okay, I'm going to turn off the flame. Just a little bit more, I will dry up the water and then turn off the flame. So at this stage you can see the water has almost evaporated. I'm now going to turn off the flame, okay, and let it cool for 10 minutes. The chilies have all cooled down, and you will see all the water has been absorbed also by the chili. So let's go and now blend this into a thick paste. Next, what I'm now going to do is to the boiled chilies and garlic and peppercorn, I'm going to add just about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. And now start the blending process. So here you go. The chili paste is now ready. I'm going to use it to make my fried rice. In my chopper, I'm going to take some cabbage, carrots and capsicum and chop it fine. Let's start by cracking 2 eggs. Hot wok, I'm going to add some oil. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of oil. And to this, once it heats up, I'm going to add the eggs. going to add a little bit of chicken. chopped vegetables. See how nicely it's finely chopped. Next I'm going to add some chicken seasoning. Season my vegetables and ensure that you add enough so that your rice also gets seasoned with the same seasoning. Alright. Next I'm going to add my stale rice. Once you nicely mix the rice, we'll add the chili paste. Let's add about 2 teaspoons, or you can add more if you want, however spicy you like it. Okay. It's just so that we get the nice red color. Get nice red color in my rice. So I added about 4 teaspoons of that, and I'm going to use a little bit of dark soap. Now mix it properly. So I've mixed the rice, and the rice has been cooking for about 5 minutes already. Next I'm going to add my fried eggs, which I had scrambled them earlier. And chopped leeks. And mix it all well. Make sure you are gentle so that you don't break the strands of all the rice. Look how delicious it looks. So here you go. My Szechuan fried rice is now ready to eat. Look how vibrant and red it is. Delicious. Looks so appetizing. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, share and leave a comment. Also don't forget the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe I will be posting on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this at home. Have a nice day. Goodbye.